Hi, I'm Steve O'Hare from Acuity Signal Centre. Today is Monday, the 5th of December, and the market alert for this week is natural gas. Now we're going to drill down into the technical analysis behind natural gas over different timeframes, then dive into the new sentiment analysis. So let's start with the weekly chart and see what the bigger picture is looking like. We continue to have this potential for a double top. Last time we got down to the neckline of this formation, we rebounded quite aggressively, and we are now approaching the neckline once more. You can see that last week's bearish outside candle has reversed the upward move that we got from this reaction rally, and we've opened this week with an actual gap lower on the charts. So we've got to really sort of like monitor price action over the next few days to see where we expect, see if we're going to get this reaction that we expect. Now, the upward trending support line comes in around about 446 this week. Also, we've got support in the shape of 485, and obviously this area of support that we had down all the way down to 530. That's a current real sort of like pivotal level that we've got to monitor, see how price action moves this week. Let's look at the daily chart now. The daily chart, the Ichimoku cloud seemed to cap price action of that reaction rally. We can see that although we did get above it on the 23rd of November, prices reversed rather sharply and left us with a shooting star candle. Since then, we've had 7 days of negative price action, and Friday's price action was extremely negative, and we've actually broken out to the downside that left a gap in the charts on the daily from Friday to Monday and continued lower. We attempted to rally this morning, but the attempt was pretty poor and never got anywhere. This is it on the 4-hour charts, and we can see that we are approaching some decent support levels all the way down to 530. So from a technical perspective, we remain bearish. I'd be a little bit aware of the gap up to 620, worth selling into there maybe. And but overall sentiment or technicals remains bearish. New sentiment has improved over the last 24 hours. We can see this with the radial gauge here. It's moved from 25% positive new sentiment all the way around to about 75%. And also, if we look at how new sentiment really moves with price, and sentiment is really a leader. Over the last month, we can see that mainly we've had negative new sentiment. I've moved the confidence slider to between 70 and 100%, and we can see that today we've got a 90% confidence reading that the market will move lower, as it's done in 90% of the last 10 occurrences. Price has fallen within 3 days, and obviously we're getting that followed through negative price action today. Also, 3 days ago, we had 100% confidence in the market moving lower based on new sentiment formations. No real news volume or fear index, so it's just a natural move. And so overall, further downside expected in natural gas from that point of perspective or point of view. So we'll leave it with you there. Natural gas really looking to sell into rallies and expecting further action to the downside. 530, the real support level. A break below there opens up a move to the major upward trending support line coming in at 475. Okay, thanks for that. Hope you've enjoyed it and look forward to catching up again next week.